guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to find out if this waste oil burner and oven that I made will actually bake. We already made pancakes on it. We know that it can fry like a griddle, but we just don't know if it will bake. So we're going to find that out today. Stay tuned. Waste oil burner. And we're gonna be baking some cookies. Looks delicious? You just wait. I have placed a rack to keep this just slightly elevated so that because there's a lot of heat coming from the bottom, I don't want the bottom to burn. All right, there we go. And I just started this waste oil burner about 2 minutes ago. And it looks like it is, it's already creating quite a bit of heat. We're gonna time this. All right. The oil is definitely on low. It is definitely not on high. But there's just a lot of BTUs in that oil, and it is making this thing get pretty warm, which is a good thing. I certainly don't know how this is going to operate as an oven because this is just a thin shell, and this can just wick heat away. The temperature, exhaust temperature, at least of the stack, is sitting right, maybe just a little bit above 100 degrees Celsius, about probably 220, 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Cookies normally bake at about 350, so hopefully with the direct heat right from the bottom there, hopefully if this stove can maintain the warmth inside there, and I don't look at the cookies too often, hopefully it'll gather enough heat and actually do a good job of baking those cookies. We shall see. As you can see by the paints still flaking off, I haven't fired this up very often. But here's what I do for a little bit of rust prevention. I take some vegetable oil that's in the spray and just spray it on there. And what that does is it creates a patina and a little barrier to prevent rusting. And you definitely want it pretty warm when you do it. You see that the barrel is now smoking a bit, and it is creating a nice char layer that will help prevent any kind of rusting. What I want to add in the future is I want to drill a hole about right in here somewhere, or maybe off to the side, but probably in the center, and so I can stick a meat thermometer, and it will be able to tell me what the temperature is inside the oven without having to open it up. All right, it has now been 12 minutes. Let's just give a peek of what these cookies are doing. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. I think it's gonna take about 2 more minutes and they will be done. All right, it has now been 14 minutes since I put the cookies in. Oh yeah. Well, they're looking really good. I want to say that they're looking kind of brown on the bottom. I think that they're done. They look good. They look real good. There's one thing I do see now is this rack kind of scratched some of the patina So I have to be careful not to move the rack around because it will scratch the char that I have. Ooh-wee, that is hot. Oh my goodness, that is warm. Woo! All right, I just turned it off. Woo, boy, there is some heat coming off of there. Let me tell you what, boys. Woo! These cookies, however, look fantastic. Whew, hot, 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 hot. They need a cooling rack. Well, the bottoms are really nice and brown. Tops are good. I mean, obviously it's still very hot, so it hasn't kind of set up. It's still very, the cookie is very soft. A little bit of rack time, we'll finish this off, but I'm not gonna wait for that. I'm gonna go ahead and chow down on it. Well, I absolutely know that the waste oil oven will also bake, which is a great thing because I know it'll do pancakes, I know it'll do hamburgers, all that kind of stuff, work as a griddle, but I also wanted to make sure that it could also bake, and this definitely proves it. Oh. They are hot, but remarkably good. Very good. Well, anytime that you're building a new stove, make sure, in my opinion anyway, make sure that it not only does the normal stuff like fries or a griddle, but if you want to really increase the capability of it, you need to make sure it bakes too. Because if you're not baking when you're in the outdoors, you're missing out on about half or more of the food groups that you would normally be able to enjoy. So I'm gonna enjoy these cookies. Got some milk. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, ring the bell. Until next time, guys. You guys be safe, and God bless. You know you have a really good patina when you can see your reflection really well in it. That is great patina right there. Non-stick, beautiful.